guys, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your go-to channel for the latest two-wheeler updates and reviews. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xoom 160 scooter, a bold offering from Hero MotoCorp that's set to redefine urban commuting. Let's explore everything you need to know about this exciting new ride. Design and styling. The Hero Xoom 160 continues its futuristic design language with sharp aerodynamic lines and aggressive LED lighting. The scooter boasts a sporty front fascia, sleek body panels, and a dynamic rear tail section. Available in striking dual-tone color options, the Xoom 160 is designed to turn heads while offering a modern premium feel. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Xoom 160 is powered by a refined 160cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering a power-packed performance for city commutes and occasional highway rides. With 11+ bhp and smooth CVT transmission, it strikes a fine balance between power and efficiency, offering a claimed mileage of around 50 km/L. Features and technology. Hero has equipped the Xoom 160 with cutting-edge features, including a fully digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, GPS navigation, and call alerts. Additional highlights include Hero's i3 start/stop system for fuel savings, keyless ignition, and a front glove box with USB charging. Comfort and handling. Built for urban riders, the Xoom 160 offers a comfortable riding position, spacious footboard, and a well-padded seat. Telescopic front forks, rear monoshock, and 12-inch alloy wheels ensure a smooth ride on city roads. With a curb weight of 120 kg, it's easy to handle in tight traffic and parking spaces. Safety and braking. Safety gets a boost with Hero's integrated braking system, IBS, coupled with a front disc brake and rear drum brake for confident stopping power. The scooter also comes with tubeless tires and an LED headlamp with DRLs for enhanced visibility in all conditions. Pricing and verdict. The Hero Xoom 160 is competitively priced, starting at approximately $8.40 per lakh on our website. For those seeking a stylish, tech-loaded scooter with great performance and mileage, the Xoom 160 is an excellent choice. Outro. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Xoom 160. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Updater Pro for more updates and reviews on the latest two-wheelers. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.